How to change name on Facebook. So if you want to change your name on Facebook, do well to watch this video to the end because I'm going to show you a very simple way to change your name on Facebook right on your Facebook app. All you have to do is to enter your Facebook app and tap on your profile icon. After tapping on your profile icon, you have to scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Okay, so after tapping on settings and privacy, you have to tap on settings again. All right, so this is settings. You tap on this first box that comes as Meta AI Account Center. Manage your connected experiences and account settings across Meta technologies. You have to tap on there that has personal details, password, and security. Add preferences and verifications. Just tap on this first box, and after tapping on it, the first option you see there is your profile. My name is Kenambumabe Susanna, so I'll have to tap on that. All right, so you tap on accounts again, like your profile where your picture is showing. Tap on it again. Then the first option you see after tapping on there is your name. Tap on the name. Okay, so here you're able to see your name used for two profiles. Yes, I have two profile on Facebook. So the first one, the first name, Kenam Susanna. So if you want to change your name, all you have to tap there is to tap on it and input whatever name you want to change. You type in there. So after typing, yes, you type on, you can change your first name, middle name, last name, and put other names if you still want other names there. Then you click on review change. Once you click on review change, they will tell you that after 24 to like some hours they are going to review the name change and they will update it, but it will not take even up to, sometimes it doesn't take up to 10 minutes or 5 minutes, and you see that the name has already changed. So if you like this video, please do what to give this video a thumb up, and please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Bye.